Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And I'm showing you guys how to play some classic Beatles. Don't Let Me Down. Let's start with putting a capo on 2. So we got 2 open nice chords. Actually 3. D major shape. 1, 2, 3. E minor, 1, 2, and A major, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so they start with holding that chord, and then the chorus kicks in. Don't let me, E minor. On the E, I'm doing lifting up the fingers. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. And then melody, if you want to play that, that's 4, 2 open on the D string. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. And then we got the verse. You got to count to 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the feel change is changing here. So that's down, down, up. Let's see. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down, 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 down. And sometimes I hear this major 7. So if you want to play that, it's just bar, G, B, and E string. Don't let me down. A, A, D. Don't let me down. Okay, so that's all the chords. We do have a little bridge after second chorus, which is just a D. So A, D. Don't let me down. John Lennon comes in right there, I think. Cool. Fun, easy song, right? Extremely good song. Thanks for checking in with me. I'll be back tomorrow with more cool tunes. Be safe.